Hello, I'm Grace Halloran, reporting live from Africa for NPR News. Tonight, we are graced by the presence of Katie Manswetti and Michelle Friedman, who are here to see if they can find a pet chimpanzee. Little did they know that they would find ancient scriptures called Things Fall Apart, which holds all the information about the Igbo economic system. And here they are.
Hi Grace, how are you?
Fabulous. How are you?
Oh, fantastic. I'm sorry about that.
No problem.
I'm just so happy. We're in Africa, the waterfall behind us. I mean, what could be better, Katie?
It's nothing. It's beautiful here.
Love it.
Yeah.
It's fabulous. So, what information did you find that might help us gain some insight of the economics of Igbo?
Well, there's a lot of different things that we learned from this book that there's only one copy of in the whole world.
How did you only find one copy?
In the whole world.
We dug deep. That's all I gotta say.
Wow.
So,
Yeah.
how to get rich is one of the main themes in this book. There's different ways to get rich. The main character, Okonkwo, got rich from starting off winning a wrestling match, which did not get him rich. It got him a lot of power. There's one wrestling match a year, and he beat the guy called the Cat, and that guy had never been beaten before, and they all broke out in excitement, and he just started gaining such social power.
He must be a very strong man.
He is. Another way is to inherit money from your father, but as Katie's going to talk about, his father had a lot of debt, so he didn't get to inherit any money. And the third and biggest way to get rich, which Okonkwo did, was to start his own yam farm. That is one way to totally just set yourself up and your family with a lot of money.
So Okonkwo, the main character in the book, his father, Unoka, had a lot of debt, and he wasn't really well respected within his town because of this. And he actually had like strike marks for each for 100 calories per strike mark, and he had a lot of those, and it was actually on the inside wall of his house. And so he wasn't really well respected throughout the town, and so Okonkwo didn't really inherit anything from him once Unoka died, his father. And because of this, Okonkwo had to start off his farm by sharecropping, and because of this, it was pretty difficult for him, and he only gained 1/3 of the profit. And since he was taking care of his family because his father was gone, he didn't make very much money, and it was really hard for him for the first part.
But then he started being persevering, and his yam farm got larger, and now he has a lot of power. He's on the council, and his family's well taken care of. He actually has 3 wives.
Ooh, that's a lot of wives.
Yes, it is. It's definitely different in Igbo, the system of Igbo, but we're going to read more, and next time we'll tell you.
See what happens.
Yes, we will. Stay tuned.
All right, well, thank you for joining us tonight on NPR.